the driving and probably the pioneering force in bringing about an institutional structure for clearing and settlement of equity, debt, foreign exchange and money market transactions.
If one is to sum up what CCIL has done, and I think a lot of the credit for that needs to go to Dr. Patil, his leadership, is a very significant reduction in the costs and risks in settlements in the bond and foreign exchange markets, and also a great deal of transparency to the pricing in these markets.
He is a creator. I mean, Dr. Patil is is a director, producer, writer of the NSE, if I have to say so. He had that vision.
We chose the model of a very small exchange, Vancouver Stock Exchange, which had an order matching system. Then also we thought that why should we be dealing only in equities? Why not it should take interest in the derivatives also? That is how we kept the Chicago Stock Exchanges as our ideals. And that way we are now nationwide.
Dr. Patil's role in some ways goes beyond that single institution in terms of being able to get energized about setting up these institutions, about trying to locate an important role for these institutions in the larger capital market development space. And of course, personally in Dr. Patil being able to give a lot of room for people to grow, for the institution to grow. He certainly is extremely capable in that sense.
Very few stock exchanges settle also the trades that happen on them. But we wanted to provide guaranteed settlement. So we disassociated the concept of settlement. We set up NSCCL as a subsidiary, wholly owned subsidiary of NSE, but doing the entire settlement guarantee. That is how the NSCCL idea was born. Then we realized that we had to handle huge quantity of paper in the settlement. We realized soon that we need to set up a depository and get into book entry system. And that is how we started working on the depository. And you can see how quickly we worked.
Dr. Patil's role in the changes has been absolutely phenomenal. It's very rarely do you see one person associated with so many changes that have taken place, so many fundamental changes that have taken place in the market.
We have set up a clearing and settlement facility for entire forex transactions, and market has significantly benefited from that. Earlier, for each transaction they used to pay $4. Now they are paying just $2 to us.
In the area of foreign exchange, the transactions are settled on a guaranteed basis, which is something unique. I don't think that any other clearing organizations in any part of the globe have been able to do this.
We developed a new instrument called CBLO, Collateralized Borrowing and Lending Obligation. That instrument also has become popular now in the market. On some days, the CBLO volumes are more than the repo volumes.
If you look at the financial markets and the state they were in, and consider the impact on the Indian financial markets of the three institutions, the National Stock Exchange, the NSDL, and now the Clearing Corporation, you will clearly see that these three institutions have changed completely the scenario for the country. And in my opinion, Dr. Patil has executed this miracle almost single-handedly.